Alright, so today we're unboxing the DJI Neo. First impressions? The box is surprisingly light. Not in a cheap way, but definitely not super premium either. Cracking it open, the first thing you'll notice is that the drone takes up almost the entire box. But let's take a closer look at what's inside. The drone itself feels super lightweight, which, of course, it should. Right away, you'll notice the built-in propeller guards, which is a nice touch. There's not a whole lot in terms of accessories, just the essentials. No extra fluff, which could be a good or bad thing depending on what you're expecting. Inside the box, you'll also get a manual with all the instructions you need. A couple of extra propellers, and even a small screwdriver in case you ever need to swap them out. And of course, there's a USB-C cable to charge the drone. Pretty much the essentials to get you up and flying. That little piece on the front? That's the camera guard. Make sure to take it off before you start flying. As for the camera itself, it shoots video in crisp 4K at 30 frames per second, which is solid for smooth, high-quality footage. For photos, you're looking at 12 megapixel resolution. Not crazy high, but definitely good enough for some sharp aerial shots. That button on the end of the drone, that's your power button. To turn it on, just press it once, release, then hold it down for about 3 seconds. Boom, the drone powers up. Same process to turn it off. Press, hold, and it'll shut down. Let's check out the DJI app and flight modes. First up, follow mode. Just press and hold the start button in the app, and the drone will take off. In this mode, the drone follows you and keeps you in the center of the frame at all times. I went to a park nearby to test it out. It was really cold, but the drone still performed amazingly well. You can really see how quickly it adapts and adjusts to make sure I stay right in the middle of the frame. Now, let's try droney mode. In this mode, the drone flies away from you while keeping you in the center of the frame, then smoothly returns. You can set how far you want it to go before coming back. It's especially useful when you're standing on a cliff or any elevated spot. It creates a dramatic pull-away shot that really shows off the scenery. Alright, now let's check out circle mode. This one's pretty cool. The drone flies in a smooth circle around you while keeping the camera focused on you the whole time. It adds a nice cinematic feel to your shots without you having to do anything fancy. Just make sure you're in an open space so it doesn't bump into anything. Perfect for parks, beaches, or any spot with a great view. Just make sure there aren't any trees or obstacles above you before launching. Now let's try out rocket mode. In this one, the drone flies straight up into the air while keeping the camera pointed down at you. It creates a really cool top-down shot that zooms out dramatically, almost like you're the star of an epic movie scene. This mode works best when you're standing still in a wide-open area. It's perfect for showing off your location from above, especially if you're in a scenic spot like a field, beach, or cliff. Now, let's talk about spotlight mode. This one's pretty fun because the drone keeps you in the frame no matter where you move, while the camera always stays focused on you. It's like the drone is your personal cameraman, tracking your every move while you walk, run, or even dance around. It's perfect for vlogs, action shots, or anytime you want to be the center of attention. Let's give helix mode a shot now. This one's like circle mode, but with a twist, literally. The drone spirals upward and outward while keeping the camera locked on you, creating a super dynamic, cinematic shot. It looks like something straight out of a movie intro. It's a great way to show both yourself and the environment around you in one smooth move. So when you pick a quick shot mode like droney, rocket, or helix, you'll see some sliders pop up on the screen. That's where you can adjust how far or high the drone will go during the shot. I kept the distance at the minimum just for the purpose of this video. Overall, the DJI Neo Mini 4K is an absolute game changer for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial shots without being a pro drone pilot. With modes like droney, circle, rocket, helix, and spotlight, You've got all the tools you need to create cinematic, dynamic footage effortlessly. Whether you're filming yourself, exploring new spots, or just having fun, it's a versatile drone that makes high-quality aerial shots accessible to everyone. Plus, it's super lightweight and easy to use, making it the perfect companion for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. If you're looking for a drone that delivers both performance and fun, the DJI Neo is definitely worth checking out. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next